If you're ever in a situation where you need your recovery key to get back into your computer, then I'm going to show you how to find that recovery key on your Microsoft account. Though I want to say that if you don't have this backup already and you don't have a second device that you can quickly sign into or log into your Microsoft account, it makes it a bit tricky. But if you have access to your Microsoft account, you can easily find the recovery code for your computer, the recovery key for your Windows PC that is connected to your Microsoft account. And that could be your mobile, or it could just be a PC or a second PC that you have. So you want to go to your Microsoft account. It's basically account at Microsoft.com, and you want to sign in to your Microsoft account. Now, you can either click on devices on the left side here or scroll down from the account section and you'll find your connected devices. And you just want to go ahead and choose a device view details. And so you'll be able to find details about this PC along with manage recovery key. And so you can easily get this BitLocker data protection key right here. So all you have to do is click on manage recovery key. What's going to happen for you the first time is going to ask you to enter your account password just for security purposes, and then you'll be able to find recovery key. And as you can see right here, I have my recovery key and I can copy this. Now I want to mention to you that if you don't have a problem right now, you can always go ahead and save this information. So you have the device name, the key ID, and the recovery key. And so that's it. No, this is very important for you to save because in case you have problems or you can't get into your machine and it's going to ask you for a BitLocker, this recovery key here, then you want to ensure that you have access to it, that you can always copy and paste it. That's going to help you to get back into your PC in case you ever need to log in with recovery key. And that's it, guys.